Hi guys, I'm back with another video of sleeping dogs, and we just delivered the extortion money that we got from all of the vendors to Winston. And now Winston is asking us to go talk to this guy Quan about a guy named Ming. And it looks like we've unlocked some police reports since we are an undercover police officer. Woohoo! Okay. I'm not going to read those on camera. It just takes too long. So, yeah, I won't make you guys sit through that. Excuse me. Excuse me, pardon me. Pardon me, ladies. Hi, sexy girls. Why not? I'll take one.
Thanks. Hope you enjoyed it as much as we did.
No noodles, thank you. I don't need noodles. No thanks.
Come on, let me show you around.
Oh, hi. I need to talk to you.
Looking for Ming. You know where he's at?
Yeah, he just passed the food stand around the corner.
Oh, thank you.
Anything you need at the market, come talk to me. You make it up for me tonight, and we got a deal.
吓？我真係要咁做？
Ming, I got a message for you. Stop!
Oh god, I gotta chase him.
You pay
I hate
Winston,
chasing
asshole.
guys.
Fuck you!
Get up there, come on.
Coming through!
Oh, shit!
Sorry, I just ruined your lunch, you guys.
Guys, I need your help!
Oh, jeez.
He needs to be killed!
Really? What did you just call me? Oh, head in the fan. Yeah. Pansy ass. Come here. Yeah, that's right. You better cower in fear, you little pansy. Come here. Hey. Okay. You come here. I'm gonna throw you in the dumpster. Oh, I guess I can't throw him in the dumpster. Damn. I wanted to throw him in the dumpster. Hey! Boosh. Now I can throw you in the dumpster? Okay.
Leave me alone, you fuck! It's one of Winston's guys! Take him out! Deal with it, we'll tell Ohio to fuck you up! Fucking with the wrong crowd!
Got so many thugs. Hey! Douche. Oh god. Wow, I just realized I turned my volume way up. Sorry about that, guys. Hope I didn't deafen you. Come here, you. Ooh, yeah, electrocution. Wow, I'm horrible. Can I throw you over the ledge? No, but I can shove your face in this fan. Oh, yeah! Ah, that's hilarious. Get in there.
I'm gonna kill you! Stop like a full guy!
Oi! What? Come on, get up.
Dog guy's gonna kill you!
Fuck dog eyes. Winston owns this area. You fuck with us, and you'll regret it.
Okay, but please, make sure Dog Eyes doesn't kill me.
I'll kill you, motherfucker. What?
Fuck.
Oh, are you kidding? Stupid police.
Hey, watch it.
Dumb popos.
Wei Sheng, I'm Inspector Tang. You have quite a rap sheet here. Multiple arrests in San Francisco, alleged ties to organized crime, and now you're here, enforcing for the Sun On Yi. You know, you don't have to throw your life away like this.
Your concern's really moving. I appreciate that. I'm suddenly realizing I should have never dropped out of art school. I could have made it. I could have been a real somebody. Thank you for showing me the light, officer.
I want to give you a chance, Shen, but you have to work with me. Then maybe I can cut you a deal. Oh, Superintendent, I'm in the middle of an interrogation.
Inspector, there's been a misunderstanding.
Misunderstanding, sir.
As your superior officer, I'm instructing you to release this man.
But sir, I have it on record that he's Sun On Yi.
I understand that.
I can't simply just cut him loose. I mean, you're asking me to release a criminal with known connections to the Triad, and not only is it
Well,
against
for God's
protocol,
sake, Tang, he's one of us.
What?
Jesus, Pendrew, let me get the door. There are a few badges outside who didn't hear you.
It's all right, Wei. We can trust her.
Trust her? I just met her.
Congratulations, Tang, so now you know. Maybe now we can make sure that we're helping Wei, not making his job harder than it already is, hmm?
Yeah, it doesn't seem like I have much of a choice.
No, you don't. Now see yourself out.
Permission to speak freely.
Denied. You need to be more careful, Wei. Much more careful. I can't bail you out like this again.
Sir,
I don't want to hear it. Just be careful.
Okay. Ooh, I got an apartment. Woohoo! Oh, and there's a health shrine. Retro Triad outfit. And I got a van. Awesome.
My wife says my John has been around for 4,000 years. I tell her yes, but I bet 4,000 years ago, wives didn't use all their husband's money playing it on Saturday nights.
Oh, I think it's downloading all of the,
All right.
or giving me all the stuff for that I got, the extra stuff that I got when I bought the game. Upgrades. I'll take this. And I'll take this. And I'll take this. And this. And that. Oh, yes, thank you.
My son listens to this Canto Pop garbage. All they sing about is love. No wonder he's always. I wish they would sing about me. I worked 80 hours to buy my daughter a dress for her date. I hope she remembers this when I'm old and need to eat through a straw. Come on! I need this. Down. I used to work faster than anybody around me, but now I see these younger guys catching up.
There are a lot of unlocking things here.
But I bet 4,000 years ago, wives didn't lose all their husband's money playing it on Saturday night.
Good lord.
Come on! I need this. We argued for 20 minutes over who pays the bill. I finally win. Then I realized I forgot my wallet.
Good god.
Down. I worked 80 hours this week to buy my daughter a dress for her. I hope she remembers this when I'm old and need to eat through a straw.
Jeez.
Halfway through, he says, "This isn't for me." Well, then make it for you. That's what I say. My cousin's wife visited from America. All she wanted to see was the world's biggest escalator. All this culture, and she wants to see moving stairs. My wife says Mahjong has been around for 4,000 years. I tell her yes, but I bet 4,000 years ago, wives didn't lose all their husband's money playing it on Saturday night.
Ah. Okay, I think we're done. Maybe. Oh. More upgrades.
Yesterday, I went to
Awesome.
lunch with my brother.
Okay, we're finally done downloading all the stuff.
Don't compare to the clients. I don't like this cocky little fucker.
You need to be more careful, Ray. Much more careful.
Okay, guys, this looks like a good place to stop. I'm trying to keep these videos, excuse me, somewhat short so they're quicker to upload to YouTube. If you like this video, like, comment, subscribe. Let me know of games you would like to see me play in the future. If they're expensive games, it may be in the far away future. Because I'm broke, so yeah. Cheap games are always best. Just let me know if you want to see me play anything in particular. And come back next time for more Sleeping Dogs. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.